Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Motorola, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this no comment message, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. And in the following menu you also can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option enter Fastboot. And that's how you can enter Fastboot mode. So here in the Fastboot mode, like, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, just like in the previous menus. And you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.